Yo, what's going on? My name is Kuma from 8-Bit, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can get a MKV file imported to Adobe Premiere. I'll assume that you're using OBS to record all your videos and you didn't click settings, output, and you didn't choose recording format. So assuming that you have MKV files, what you want to do is click File, Remux Recordings, click on OBS Recordings, these three dots, and then click on any of the MKV file that you have. Click Open. Target file should automatically go to MP4. If it doesn't, click on the three dots on the target file, and at the end here write .mp4. Click Save, click Remux Video, and once the thing is done, you should have MP4 file over here. Recording Remuxed. Click OK. You can close this, and this is the clip that we tried to get the MP4 file from MKV. Click and drag. The MP4 file is fully working, and it takes few seconds depending on how fast your computer is. That's it for today's video, so I hope that you enjoyed it and that it helped you, and if it didn't, write down in the comments what problems did you encounter and I'll try to find a solution for it.